Hi, I'm Sarah, this is Tracy and that's Zoe, and we've nominated the Sbectrwm Youth Forum for the Outstanding Active Participation Award.
Sbectrwm was set up last year to give neurodivergent young people a voice. The forum has 12 inspirational young people who have all had numerous examples of being actively excluded and their needs and rights not being acknowledged or respected. The majority have never been able to access youth work in group settings.
The Just One Thing project came about from talking to the young people about their experiences of trying to live in a world that wasn't necessarily suitable for them, and how the challenges they face could be reduced if the community around them understood them and just got it.
Based on providing key information that those around them would benefit from knowing, the Just One Thing animation will be used to help support teaching and training for YEP staff and also for other youth workers. We talk a lot about youth work changing young people's lives. This is an example of young people's lives changing youth work.
The group has done so much already. I mean, it's amazing what these young people have achieved, and it's really, really exciting to see what they're going to kind of do in the future.
We want to wish you all good luck tonight. You're going to be fab. Whether you win or not, we are incredibly, incredibly proud of you. Go on, Sbectrwm!
Woo! What am I saying?
I don't know, I'll just give you a...
Poblock, say Poblock.
What?
It's good luck in life.
Poblock. Poblock.